Hi everyone, I'm Jeff Teagan, Raleigh, North Carolina, your Toyota complete buying resource. I'm going to help you choose today between two Avalons, the 2019 Avalon Limited and the 2019 Hybrid Limited. Ooh, that's a tough choice. How am I going to pick? We're looking at the Hybrid right now, and just tell me, is this not the most beautiful thing you've seen in the entire world? Except for your kids and your spouse and your mom? It is aerodynamic, it's sleek, it's stylish, it's luxury, Toyota's flagship car. Now, the initial question is, do you want something that averages 25 miles a gallon, which is the gas version, or 43 miles a gallon? That's a big difference. Let's see, 43 minus 25, 18 miles a gallon difference. Whoa, that's a lot. Of course, both of these vehicles are amazing. They have LED headlamps, daytime running lights, active cornering. They also have dynamic turn signals here. They both have Toyota Safety Sense pedestrian, so pre-collision system with pedestrian detection during the daytime. They have lane departure alert with steering assist, automatic high beams, and then dynamic radar cruise control. If you get the advanced safety package like you see here on the Hybrid, front and center you're going to notice the camera right in the middle of the grille. That's for bird's eye view. Like I said, it shows you a computerized model of an overhead look so you can see what is close to you as you're turning, cutting a tight corner, cars around you, curbs, pulls. Okay, so that's the first camera, and that works in conjunction with two other cameras in the side mirrors underneath, and then the backup camera. See if we can see underneath here. You guys see that camera right there? There it is. So there's one in the other mirror too, and they work all together like a team. Wonder Pets, what's gonna work? Teamwork. And they help you get the best view possible. As we look along this sleek, majestic profile here, notice the 18-inch chrome alloy wheels, LED lights here with dynamic turn signals, smart key, auto open doors on the passenger, the driver, and the trunk. It comes standard with a moonroof, power moonroof. Then you can see the turn signal indicators on the side. It also has standard blind spot monitor and rear cross traffic alert. Now out the back you can see the LED tail lights with laser ablation, dynamic turn signals here. One of the main differences, you can see the look of dual chrome exhaust on the gasoline limited, backup camera, and then this one has single exhaust, but it's hidden. You can't see it, but it's right underneath here. You can feel it, that's for sure. Beautiful, right? Which one do you pick? Now, engine performance, this is one of the main philosophical differences. Do you want more power or do you want better gas mileage? So, hybrid first, 215 net hybrid horsepower. It works with a 2.5 liter 4-cylinder engine combined with the electric motors. The 4-cylinder engine, 176 horsepower. Again, combined together, teamwork, 215 net hybrid horsepower. And then you can see there's soundproofing here, pneumatic lifts. This is an electronically controlled CVT, continuously variable transmission. The gasoline version has a 3.5 liter V6 engine, 301 horsepower. Whoa! And this has a direct shift 8-speed automatic transmission. This one here, we're racing at Thunder Road. And the rules are, there ain't no rules. Here's the window sticker for Hybrid. Georgetown, Kentucky, home of the world famous Camry. Holla! Great safety ratings, 43 miles a gallon. This is the reason to choose a Hybrid. Whoa! And then we've got standard equipment over here on the left. And I'll show you what's in that advanced safety package here. See if I can get all that in there. Optional equipment on the right, and then the Hybrid will be about $46,700. Here's the Limited. It's in Harbor Gray. Both are actually in Harbor Gray. One has a Hybrid logo symbol on it. Great gas mileage. This one gets 22 in the city, 31 on the highway. Standard equipment here on the left because it is the Avalon Limited. So check that out when you get a chance. optional packages that were added at the regional assembly point. And then this one is about $43,200. I'm sitting in the back seat here of the Gasoline Limited. It's got very good visibility here out the back. I like that window that's cut out there. It kind of hides a blind spot that could be there normally. Nice big window. And then look at this beautiful interior. It's luxury and sporty at the same time. Is it possible that a car could be both? I think so. Standard moonroof. Lumbar support for the passenger power seat, which is very nice. These are heated and ventilated cooled seats. A lot of times you can actually hear it on. If you hear the that means that the heated seat is on, or the cooled seat is on, I mean. 9-inch display here. It also has JBL speakers in it. 14 JBL speakers with a 1200 watt amplifier. That is rockin', bangin' concert-like performance. Dual temperature controls. That's the cooled seat right there. This could be the cooled seat here. Heated seat there. Variable like that. Oh yeah. There's so much to show you in the driver's side here. Again, power seat. 4-way auto up and down windows. Memory seating. Hello. Heated steering wheel. Look at this. Power steering wheel. I love it. Leather wrapped steering wheel. Heated as well. I'm going to just show you some of the controls here. They're very similar between the two cars. I love the charging ports here. This has the 7-inch multi-information display, so it gives you so much pieces of information, so many pieces of information about your car. This is the safety ratings. Digital speed, range, lane departure alert, radar cruise control. That's cool. Not gonna lie, tire pressure. And then we've got the frameless rear view mirror here with HomeLink, garage door openers, standard safety connect, Wi-Fi connect, Apple CarPlay, Alexa commands. It's got it all, baby. That's right, baby. Lighted mirrors with the sliders. Virtually the same options in the hybrid. So we're gonna do a quicker tour here. Not to slight it in any possible way. I will show you again, it has the advanced safety package. So bird's eye view camera. A few benefits to that. It shows you again if there are any obstructions or cars or people around you, that type of thing. You can also look at the curb view. So I'm going to show you this. It's going to show you a little bit different screen. This is the energy monitor, so you can see when it's using gasoline, when it's using electric mode, and when it's recharging the battery. The other thing I want to show you is the head-up display. It's hidden kind of in here, and it's 10 inches. And see that there? It can show you information about your car. It's raining and foggy right now, so anyway, it'll show you lots of pieces of information. I love the speedometer because it's right where you're looking. There's a plane up there somewhere. There it is. Plane. Enjoy your trip. Oh, I know what I want to show you guys. Watch this. This is the bird's eye view camera. But what's cool about this is push this button up here and you can change the color. Let's do this one. All right. Now it's blue. Holla. That's really cool. Thank you for watching my video, everyone. I hope it was helpful. Now, write down in the comment section, do you choose Avalon Limited or Avalon Hybrid Limited. Tough choice. I did the dirty work here, and you know what they say about dirty deeds? Done dirt cheap. Thank you so much for watching again. Really appreciate it. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter. Go there now. Toyota Jeff 1. And then Facebook, Toyota Jeff in Raleigh. Please hit subscribe right now to my Toyota Jeff YouTube channel. Woohoo! Victory! If you're looking for a new car in the North Carolina area, please call me, Jeff Teague, at Fred Anderson Toyota, or shoot me over an email. Subscribe to Toyota Jeff YouTube channel now. Thanks, everyone.